Hi guys, it's Mr. S. I'm here to talk to you about a new activity. This is Pokemon training. Now let's go over the rules. First of all, rule 1, watch the exercise screen to see what exercise you will be doing. Okay, we're going to go back to that one in a second. Rule 2, choose a Pokemon on the screen to exercise with. Some of the screens are going to have 2, maybe 3 Pokemon at a time. So you got to choose one of them that you want to exercise with. So choose your favorite on that screen. Rule 3, anytime a Pokemon moves on the screen, you have to jog in place. So the first slide just has Pikachu on it. And I did that for a reason, because I wanted you to just practice jogging in place when the Pokemon moves. So when any Pokemon moves on the screen, just like I'm doing right there as the GIF, you're going to jog in place. Okay. Rule 4, anytime your Pokemon touches another Pokemon on the screen, you have to perform the exercise you saw on the exercise screen. Now let's go back to the rule 1. The exercise screen, as you can see, top right corner, it says vertical jump, train to evolve your Pokemon, because that's all it's about, training to evolve your Pokemon. So it says vertical jump. So as you know, if a Pokemon moves on the screen, you're jogging in place. Now, anytime 2 Pokemon on the screen touch, come together, occupy the same space, anytime that happens, you have to do the exercise from the exercise screen. And this exercise screen says vertical jump. So if these 2 Pokemon touch, then you would have to vertical jump and continue to do a vertical jump until the Pokemon come apart. If they come together again, you would vertical jump over and over again, once again, until they come apart. All right, and finally, rule 5. Throw your Pokeball when they stop. So at the end of each time, when they're about finished or moving, they're going to come to a stop. When they come to a stop, okay, I want you to get your target hand ready, get your throwing arm up, plant, rock forward, and throw, switch your arms, hands. Work on your throwing techniques, because that's what Pokemon is all about, right? Got to catch them all. So if the Pokemon stop, that's your chance to eye your target and throw your Pokeball. Okay, practice that throwing motion. All right. So quick review. Anytime Pokemon moves, you're jogging in place. Okay. Anytime 2 Pokemon come together, you're doing the exercise from the exercise screen. And finally, when those Pokemon stop, it's time to catch them all. Throw your Pokeball. All right. I hope you enjoy this activity. Hope you have fun. Let's play.